Hello Hungry Fam and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to test viral rice paper hacks sent by you all from Instagram Reels and check if they are real or fake. Before starting the video, like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook at @HungerPlans. Also click on the bell icon to get all the post notifications. Our first hack looks very symmetrically satisfying. पहले चॉप करते हैं सारे वेजीज को. कैरेट को पील करके एंड्स निकाल देने हैं. देन कट इट इनटू हाफ. देन फिर ये हाफ को 4 स्लाइसेस में कट करना है एंड देन कट इट इनटू मैच स्टिक्स. रिपीट द सेम फॉर अ ग्रीन क्यूकम्बर. कैरेट का जो स्टिक है उसी के लेंथ में कट करना है. क्यूकम्बर को भी मैच स्टिक्स में कट कर लेना है. Now let's make my favorite part, that is making a ramen. मैंने ये Shin ramen का super spicy जो वेज है वो यूज कर रही हूँ. Boil 500 ml of water and then add the noodles. Once they are cooked, add the masala. I also added the dry veggies, mix it well and cook it further for 2 to 3 minutes. Remove and keep it aside. Then place our today's hero ingredient, that is rice paper. ये मैंने soak करके rice paper को एक board पे रखा है. Now place a lettuce leaf over it. Then spoonful of ramen noodles we made. Now align the carrot and cucumber like so. Then we have to sprinkle some white and black sesame seeds. अब carefully we have to fold the rice paper like a spring roll. But ये वीडियो जैसे तो बिल्कुल नहीं लग रहा, तो मेरे को एक आइडिया आया कि इसको उल्टा बना देते हैं. So on a soaked rice paper, sprinkle some sesame seeds. Then place the veggies. हमें जो skin side है वो नीचे रखना है. Then place the ramen. And अभी इसके ऊपर lettuce leaf को रखना है. And now wrap the rice paper roll. अभी ये वीडियो जैसे लग रहा है बहुत ही ज्यादा प्रिटी भी है. You can have it with any dip of your choice. Let's dig into it. Wow, I wish you could hear the crunch. It's as satisfying as it looks. The veggies are crunchy, the rice paper along with the ramen is soft and it is a perfect balance. अच्छा हुआ मैंने super spicy ramen use किया, नहीं तो ये थोड़ा bland हो जाता था. It's very tasty and you can literally customize it however you like. It's quick, delicious and it's a very successful hack. Our next hack is very genius. It's making boba with rice paper. So let's begin by making a coffee concoction. कुछ नहीं है, सिर्फ heavy word है. एक पैन में सिर्फ 1 कप पानी ऐड करना है. थोड़ा बॉईल होने पे कॉफी पाउडर ऐड कर दीजिए एंड मिक्स इट. इसको पैन से हटा दीजिए एंड ठंडा करना है रूम टेम्परेचर होने तक. Once our coffee concoction is at room temperature, dip the rice paper and remove it on a chopping board. Hardly 1 मिनट के लिए उसको डिप करके रखना है. Now roll the rice paper very tightly like so. Repeat the same for 6 rice papers and cut it into tiny portions. फिर इसको फ्लेवर करने के लिए मैं ब्राउन शुगर यूज कर रही हूँ. Just add 2 to 3 tablespoons of brown sugar into a pan. Add water, mix and then add the rice paper balls we made and cook it for only 5 minutes. ये जो rice paper ball है ये पूरा उस sugar को soak कर लेता है and plump बन जाता है. Now add this into any glass. Then add few ice cubes which is completely optional. Then add milk. And finally the leftover coffee. Mix it well. This glass definitely looks like a boba coffee you get in any high-end restaurant. Let's taste it now. Wow, the rice paper boba is so good. It's perfectly chewy and has a nice taste also. Actually, it's even better than the normal tapioca flour boba. Coffee is super delicious. It's a great hack. You should definitely try it out अगर आपको quick boba चाहिए. It doesn't even cost much. It's hassle free and super tasty. So this hack was a big hit. Our next hack is trending a lot on Instagram, which is mango mochi with rice paper. If you're a BTS fan, comment below आपको मोची सुन के किसकी याद आती है. तो ये मोची वैसे राइस फ्लावर से बनता है एंड इट्स वेरी चूई. सो राइस पेपर का भी टेक्सचर काफी सिमिलर होता है. हियर आई पील्ड अ मैंगो एंड मैंने उसको हाफ में कट किया एंड आई केप्ट इट असाइड. मोची बनाने के ये 2 टाइप्स है. फर्स्ट वाले में जस्ट प्लेस अ सोक्ड राइस पेपर ऑन अ बोर्ड. देन आई प्लेस अ बिग मैंगो का हाफ इन सेंटर. फिर इसको कवर कर लेना है. Now place this over another rice paper and इसको भी अच्छे से cover कर दीजिए and keep it aside. Now for the second method, just sprinkle some rice flour on a board. Then place one soaked rice paper. अब इस पे ही दूसरे soaked paper को add करना है. Now place the mango in the center and wrap it tightly. कोट इट अच्छे से विद द राइस फ्लावर. जो पहले हमने मोची बनाया था उसको भी अच्छे से कोट कर लेना है राइस फ्लावर से. नाउ रेफ्रिजरेट बोथ दीज मोचीज फॉर 10 to 15 minutes. Not gonna lie, they look almost like a original mochi. Let's cut it. Looks very bright and appetizing. Let's taste them. मुझे दोनों मोची ऑलमोस्ट सेम ही लगे. आई डिडंट लाइक इट मच. I actually never had the actual original mochi, but I'm sure it's tasty. This is just bland and floury. एकदम कच्चा जो ये grainy flour है उसका taste and texture आ रहा है. But अगर इसको हटा दिया जाए then it's nice chewy from the outside and very soft from the inside. Please don't waste your mango like this. I don't think so. मैं ये कभी वापस try करूँगी. You also don't try it. This hack was busted. Our next hack looks so refreshing. Obviously strawberry तो नहीं मिलेगी ये season में, तो जो fruits है we'll work with that only. First let's cut the mangoes in cubes. Then peel an apple. Cut it into slices and further cut into matchsticks. Now instead of strawberries I'm using orange. ये मैं use कर रही हूँ as a pop of freshness. Just cut it into slices and further cut it into quarters. Peel or cut off the skin and keep it aside. Now place a soaked rice paper sheet on a board. Then place 4 mint leaves. Then the orange segments. Then place the apple matchsticks. And फिर place करना mango के cubes. Now wrap the sheet like a spring roll but very tightly. You can have this with a yogurt dip. मैंने सिर्फ एक ही बनाया because I already had a lot of rice paper rolls. Let's taste it now. Wow, that is again a perfect combination of soft and crunchy. The mint leaf is just adding another layer of flavor into it. It's such a great way to have fruits. अगर आप ऐसे ही fruits नहीं खा पा रहे हो तो ये बहुत अच्छा hack है. It's elegant, it's quick and super tasty. अगर ये आप किसी गेस्ट को सर्व भी करोगे उनको ये रेस्टोरेंट क्वालिटी लगेगा. Obviously it looks different from the video because of the strawberry. Other than that, it is a great hack. This was definitely successful. Our next hack was requested a lot. Looks quite unreal. Let's try it. In a plate, add water. Now take 2 rice paper sheets and dip it together into this water and let it soak for only 30 seconds. Then take it out. Remove all the bubbles inside them. And cut it into round shape using a wine glass. You can use a cookie cutter or even a bowl. ये वीडियो में ऐसे कट किया है तो मैं भी सेम ही कर रही हूँ. Now carefully take all the circles and place it on the air fryer basket. Air fry it for only 5 minutes. Now after taking out, this is how they look. Quite sad, I know. 4 में से सिर्फ एक ही properly पूरी जैसा लग रहा है. I could try more, but मुझे ये rice paper sheets को waste नहीं करना था. Anyways, let's taste it. Okay, that doesn't taste good at all. I don't even know if it's edible. बिल्कुल crispy नहीं है. It's like paper. ऐसे उसको दबा के ऐसे फुस हो रहा है. I don't know if I did it wrong, but you try it out and let me know कि मैंने क्या गलत किया है. But for me, this hack was totally busted. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know your feedback in the comment section below. Today's shout out goes to Roma Goodwin, Famida Hussain, Mangala Sheth, and Sahir Sheikh. If you want a shout out, all you have to do is subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram and Facebook @HungerPlants, and comment on this video telling me that you have. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more amazing videos.